So this was an interesting discovery. In my weaving of the silk, I pressed down on treadle 3 and I watched as one side of the number 1 came up, of the first harness came up, but the second side didn't do anything at all. But the chain's attached here, chain is attached here, and it's hooked right there. So I went down under the loom and it is hooked here. So that's not the issue. It looks like it's all fine, but again, I pressed down on the treadle. Obviously that goes down, but this did not. I didn't understand why. Until I noticed there's nothing there and there's nothing there. So let's go around to the other side of the loom and take a look. Coming around to the back side of the loom, I discovered that the pins that actually go through and make the pivot for the lambs, look at that. That is so far out. It wasn't even catching this back pivot. So what we need to do is actually stop, take a breath, and then hammer it back in. Hammer the other one in. Those should be flat. Nice and flat so that they go all the way through to the other end and all of the pivots are caught. Then, once again, returning to the front of the loom, I will press down on treadle 3. And look at that. Everything goes down just fine. I've got the pivots back. You can see the pins in the holes. So, listen to your loom. It's talking to you.